In the name of Jesus Christ. Oh Lord, enter my family. Every power that have been there, polarizing male and female. Help me, Lord, and deliver me. Deliver me by fire. Some of you, your